case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
At the center of this 1966 U.S. court case was a question of who had control over the destiny of a trust from 1923. The court faced determining whether a person could change the terms of a trust, to which their only involvement was the right of testamentary appointment. The appeal was sparked by an attempt to modify the trust in question, but was ultimately denied by the court, stating found the settlor's attempt to alter it invalid. The appellant's claim hinged on the belief she was the sole beneficiary with the power to revoke the irrevocable trust, a claim the court deemed false, siding instead with the theory of the Maryland Court of Appeals in Allen v. Safe Deposit and Trust Company. Here, the doctrine of worthier title was rejected, leading the court to treat the settlor's heirs like all other named beneficiaries. If the appellant wanted a modification, she would have had to seek the consent of the heirs, a step that she overlooked in her proceedings. What made this case particularly intriguing was that the court opened the door to future submissions by the appellant, provided they involved a request for the heirs' consent. Its decision left room for the appellants to obtain consent from the heirs to alter or revoke the trust, thereby potentially yielding a different outcome. The court also mentioned the possibility of appointing a guardian ad litem to safeguard the interests of unseen or potential beneficiaries, demonstrating a flexibility in their thinking. Despite the appellant's visionary strategies, the court decided in favor of the appellees, solidifying the notion that a settlor cannot sidestep the consent of all beneficiaries in a trust, even one nearly half a century old. The court made it clear, any attempt to alter the trust, no matter how innovative or calculated, would be rejected without the consent of the heirs. This ruling served as a beacon of precedent for future trust disputes, promoting the voice of all parties involved.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.